This is my favorite thing to do ever. Ever. Oh my gosh, this is everything. I'm obsessed. You cannot tell me this hair doesn't look amazing. And I just did my hair today. It's like so nice. Oh my god. I did it myself, by the way. So this is good for me. Like, high five to me. Anyways, hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm gonna take you guys along to spend the weekend with me. You guys might have seen earlier that I packed up some cookies that I had baked. We're gonna take that to my cousin today because her birthday was yesterday. So I decided to make her some cookies and we're gonna go sing happy birthday to her. And then we'll continue with the vlog for tomorrow.
Inside the tea. It's not really what it looks like. I'm super sweaty right now, but I want to show you guys why this is like my favorite place ever to go running. There's a lot of bikers right now, so I have to be like really careful, but you guys are gonna see why this is my favorite place to go running ever. First time I ever went here was when I was doing cross country when I was like 16. Like, it looks straight out of a movie. Maybe it's just me, but this is like the nicest place ever. I come here a lot during the spring. I don't come during fall or winter because it's just like, it's literally, quite literally a hike. So it's not the best. I don't think it's meant to be used during the cold. Well, at least not for me. But it's like so fucking cool. Like, this is like so cool, and then the sun's like beaming down, and then you think you're like in a movie, and it's like literally the best. Probably be like the last time I come here until spring. So yeah.
Hi guys, I feel like you guys have become very acquainted to this bathroom, this vlog. Like, this is it. What I'm wearing, this is the pants. I have to put my shoes on, but I'm running super late. So I will speak to you guys tomorrow. Oh my gosh. That literally felt great. That is literally a 10 out of 10 now.